Whirlpool GZ25FSRXYY2 refrigerator. Ice maker stopped working. Replaced ice maker. Water valve is okay. New water filter. Still will not iniate cycle.
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
SNK208170779.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I've done it so far but cannot get it to work.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, sorry to hear you are having trouble. I'm Joel and will be glad to help you today. On that model it has a fan that pulls cold air from the freezer section to the ice make box. If the fan is not running, it will not get cold enough in the ice maker box for the ice maker to start a cycle. You need to check and see if that fan is running, which it sounds like it's not. The video below shows how to access and replace the fan. Click here for video. Here is the replacement fan, refrigerator ice maker evaporator fan part hash, W10308033. Click here for part info at Sears. We are on the honor system here. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance. Rating the answer does not close the question out, it will still be open after you rate. I do not get compensated until you rate, so it will be greatly appreciated. Thanks.
Fan is running. Display panel indicates that ice maker is on. Ice bin arm is in down position. I do not get any power reading between the H and N terminal on the ice maker. Does the main circuit board supply power to the ice maker?
Yes, there is a thermal fuse in the wiring harness of the ice maker, but the power is supplied from the board at position P34. See wiring diagram below. Click here for wiring diagram. If the ice maker is not getting voltage, check the thermal fuse in the wiring harness first. If it's good, then the board is not sending voltage.
Ice maker is new. New wiring harness with new thermal fuse.
Okay, then the board is bad or a bad wire from board to ice maker if there is no voltage. Download the service sheet below and put the unit in service diagnostic mode and do test number 37 and make sure the icebox thermistor is good. Click here to open/download service sheet.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.